How to enable chat option on Roblox. In this video, I will show you how can you easily enable the chat feature on Roblox. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly either open Roblox application or go to its official website. After that, go to the setting bar at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will see their little menu. Simply go to settings from there. Now, go to account info and here click on verify my age. After you have verified your age, what you need to do is from the menu at the left hand side, now you need to go to privacy. After that, once your age is verified using different documents that you need to submit in Roblox, you will be able to enable the microphone option. Now, once the microphone option is available, you will be able to chat with your friends while playing on Roblox. So that's it. That is how easily you can enable the chat feature on Roblox application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.